There was with the old man, rounded again, sweat my palm. Young world crossing around me, the possibilities of feeling what I need. You look at me and smile. They no, 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 no child. See the dog and butterfly up in the air, he likes to fly. Dog and butterfly, they knows he had to try. He rolled back down to the warm soft ground, laughing, don't know why, don't know why. Dog and butterfly, I'll stumble upon your secret place, deep in the leash, your heart tears in your face, wrestling with your desires, roasting strangers, stealing your fires, dismissing in my love. Only words that I couldn't find. See the dog and butterfly up in the air, he likes to fly. Dog and butterfly, he knows he had to try to roll back down to the warm soft ground, laughing to the sky, up to the sky. Dog and butterfly, getting older, the world's getting colder. For the life of me, I don't know the reasons why. Maybe it's leaving, making us giving, hearts rolling in, taking back on the time. We're balanced together, open ocean the sky. The other night and the streets down, moonlight holding me let us down. Voice of confusion inside of me, no begging to go down where I'm free. Feels like I'm through. And the old man's words are true. See the dog and butterfly up in the air, he likes to fly. Dog and butterfly, he knows he had to try to roll back down to the warm soft ground, laughing to the sky. She had to try, she had to try. Dog and butterfly, up in the air, he likes to fly. Dog and butterfly, no, she had to try to roll back down to the warm soft ground with a little tear in her eye. She had to try, she had to try. Dog and butterfly.